A civil authority has issued a child abduction emergency for the following counties or areas: Utah, at 5:14 p.m. on March 24, 2025, effective until 10:14 a.m. March 25, 2025. Message from Comcast. The suspect is identified as Ricardo Virgil Trujillo. He is 5 feet 5 inches tall, weighing 180 pounds. He has black hair and black eyes. The first child abduction victim is identified by police as Angie Trujillo. She is 2 years old. She has black hair and brown eyes. She is 2 feet 2 inches tall and weighs about 35 pounds. The second child abduction victim is identified by police as Ricardo Trujillo. He is 3 years old. He has black hair and black eyes. He is 2 feet 5 inches tall and weighs about 45 pounds. The abduction happened at Riverdale. The suspect was driving a white Ford F-150. If you have any information, please call police at 801-394-6616 or simply dial 911.